Yo, 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 yo. So let's go over our trade recap from yesterday, May 3rd, 2024. Yesterday, I traded so right now I'm funded with three accounts. I was four, but I made some mistakes. It was actually a glitch that caused it, but it doesn't matter. I would say I made a mistake because I over leveraged. If I didn't over leverage, the glitch wouldn't have mattered. So I'll take it. Um, so I am currently working on getting my fourth funded account again. And then the process is my goal is once I have four accounts, which I'll have the fourth account this week, based on the way I've been trading pretty damn good. Um, and I think that's going to stay consistent unless I do something that's just stupid, which, it's all possible. But I'm going to work to decrease those days from happening. So the plan is I get the fourth account and then I'll work each account into the payout area. Once I get into the payout area, then I'll just work on an account at a time. I'm not going to really be doing copy trading. I'm not that kind of person. It's just not what I do. Maybe old me would have done that, but now I'm actually following the plan, following the rules, doing what I'm supposed to do. It takes time to make money in market. It takes time to make true money in the market, and I'm just gonna keep chugging at it. All right. So with the funded account, I did take one trade on my funded account this the day before. I mean, yesterday. It was a loss, and I didn't feel good about it, so I just moved on to trying to get funded another account. The previous day, I traded all three funded accounts and did really well on those. So it's just now to get those over the threshold so I can start collecting consistently. All right, so let's look. So if you saw my recap from 3 to May 2024, if you got my recap from May 2nd, 2024, you would have saw that I expected the move to continue up. That's what I expected. That's what I was hoping for. That's what it looked like. And that's what turned out to happen. And if you saw, you would have saw these lines are already there. All these lines are already there before, and it came right to my line. So let's go down into the smaller time frames. So. All right. So of course in the over we gapped up throughout the day because we got news and the news pushed it. I don't remember what news it was that came out on Friday, but whatever news it was that came out, it pushed the market. I don't know if it was unemployment. No, it wasn't that. It wasn't Job Fridays, was it? I don't know what it was. But regardless, there was some news, some high impact news that came out and it pushed the market higher. And if you can see, look at the time frame, when the market opened, it pulled back and it just kept on going up. So once it got up here, coming back, and once it got up here, that's when I started to look and say if the possibility of a short would be possible, right? And once I saw that, or I saw this possibility, I waited. There was another news that came out at 10. I waited for that. I saw the push up and I saw the nice rejection hard. So I added my short and it came back down into this area. And it was holding around this area here. And I kept on adding contracts. I added all the way up to like 6 contracts. And typically I don't add that many contracts. I try to keep it anyway from 3 to 4 at the most, because I do hold typically for 10, 15 to 20 points each trade. They take about 4 or 5 trades a day. So I still end up making $200 to $300 a day, based on how I trade. And because I hold things much longer. Longer than most, but not as long as I want to. So this one, I got it, and I think I ended up getting like 20 points off of this, which is pretty damn good. 20 points. Of course, it went more than 20 points, but I really like that trade. And then the second trade, because I think I only took two trades or three trades, I saw that it was holding here. And when I saw one of the things I've been doing is like, when you see the flip, I saw it was holding here, but when I saw the flip in the color, when it came back up, I did go short again when it came back up, when it got this rejection. And I got it all the way back down to here. And because it held, I got out. And then the third trade was here, right there. So after I saw this and I saw this change here, if I go to the 30-minute, you'll see, look at that candle right there. See that candle? It's that nice candle there. And when it opened, I opened and I added probably one or two contracts. It wasn't much. And I just let it ride all the way back up to here. So that one, I probably got 30 points on. 46. Oh, yeah. Probably got like 40 points on it. Yeah. It was only probably two contracts, one or two contracts. I don't remember. But anyway, I finished the day over three something. So I thought that was pretty good. And then I should have probably held it and just let it keep going, but it worked out pretty good for me. I didn't take much trades yesterday. I was just very patient. And one of the things that I did like about yesterday is that when this switched, when I saw the color change on the 30-minute, because for something, after we saw such a strong uptrend, for the other side to finally win, that shows that there's people participating. And it wasn't one of those things. Of course, you still have to wait because sometimes that's all they have, one candle, and they win, and then it just turns right back out. So you still have to watch the price action. And that's why I did take that second short that I was talking about right up here, right? Because I like the 30-minute, I like the rejection, and I like everything. So when I took it, it was based on the 30-minute flipping, but and then it was an indifferent candle as well. So I did short again, and that's how I got it back down to the hold area down here. And then when I took it, the next trade, I took it off based off the 30-minute, which is this one, and I like this hold. I like how I was holding this area. It held it all day, and it went up, and then it went like, look, came, we broke out the area, boom, we held, and then we broke above the area again. You see, we this candle, then we see we broke, and then we came back and settled right there. The market's just stair stepping, like boom, step, step. It's just what the market is doing right now. Going into Monday of next week, no big plans yet. Just seeing how the market is performing. But if I go here and I look at it and a time frame that we're on, clearly look at this right here. Wait. If you look at it, we had our turnaround, right? We boom boom stairs stepped up, boom 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 boom, stepped up, and we failed, went back down to the level we couldn't draw, and we went down this level, then we went through, we came back up into this level, and we held, we pushed, but we stayed in the level. Now we're back up here, right? It did finish as strong on Friday, but this is what we're seeing. I'm not typically a pattern kind of guy, but that's a bigger flag that we're seeing, right? It's just what it is right there. So not typically a pattern kind of guy, but it's kind of clear. So let's see what the weekly looks like. Yeah. So, and then Friday, look at that. Look at last week, the previous week, and then this week that we just passed. It came all the way back up strong, man. And if you look at this, it could be, if you traded the strat, boom boom, we have a TTL. We had a two down, and we had a three. This is a three. I mean a one. And then the one held, and we break here. Strat people are in right here. They're already in. Stop loss down here if they're trading the one. All right. And they're holding it. First takeoff is right here. Next takeoff right here. If that's the strat people, right? And they're coming up all into here and they're expecting like shit. If it holds and it goes, that's what strat people possibly doing. Full time frame continuing right here. Boom, 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 boom. And even if they have 4 contracts or whatever they're trading, all the way back up to there. That's what they're seeing. That's a TTO. Right? If you look at the strat. Let me see strat. TTO. I'm gonna leave the site real quick. Look at the TTO and the strat right here. See it? We came down and we held. Boop, boop, boop. We got a nice little triangle. So let's see if we have the triangle. Let's see if we're the strat. Where we at? Where we at? Boom, 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 boom. Yep. We just gotta come out and then out of here. But I'm the kind of person, I'm still gonna trade what I see. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If we get a hold here, then we break and we come back down, we go down further. It's quite possible. If we come all the way back down there, break, we held here, we bounce. So we got to come through this area eventually, back down to here before we break back down to here. That big breakout area. This was the big breakout area right here. We consolidated from July all the way to November. So this is that big breakout. And then from here, December all the way up to April. So yeah, this is where we'll come back to eventually if that's what's going on. Yep. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Like I said, I trade what I see. I try not to jump ahead. I used to try to anticipate and all that garbage. So I stopped that. And I'm going to look at one thing. I got a thing on Instagram about this funding firm called Trade Day Funding, and I wanted to start looking at it. I did start click on it before, but I'd never really never seen this website, this funding company before. Let's see what they're all about. Yes, trading is difficult. It is. We know. Not everyone who tries it succeeds. That is true. In fact, most who try fail. Over the years, many people approach our experienced traders, and we built Trade Day to change that. We said that we're going to create a virtual trading room environment that offers the closest possible advantage. The trade team. Yeah. I'm actually doing a video. What's up? Okay. Let's see. Trading economy data release. What is this? Oh, they got like office and shit. 10-year trader, 15-year full trading, 10 years of managing professional trading groups, former CEO, 2 years in exchange executive, 10-year trading. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so let's see what this is all about. They actually funding you. Learn, get funded, trade. Choose the plan that you are ready for and cancel at any time. So a 50K account, 25, the same. Trailing drawdown calculated at the end of the day. That's just like top step. Of a micro, you have 5 minis and 50 micros. 100K, 165, 5,000 you have to make. There's 50,000, you have to make only 2,500. What are the rules? 40% plus no activation fee with the code no fee may. 250K tier, most popular 50K, 100K. Okay, it's just like Keep the first 10,000 you make, then 90% thereafter, and no restrictions on payout frequency. Oh shit. No, no restrictions on payout frequency. What? That sounds too good to be true. What are the rules? Lowest profit target around end of day, trailing max drawdown, end of day. Like Apex, it's live, right? So you gotta take profits quick with Apex. While the other ones you might can be able to leave it to run a little bit longer. Mm. No monthly trade day membership fees. Oh, for funded. Okay, for free resets on subscription renewals. Okay. Mm. End of day trailing max around lowest profit around now. No monthly no monthly trade day membership fees. End of day trailing max drawdown. No restrictions on withdrawal frequency. That is very interesting how it works. We evaluate trading and what we know. We get traders funded. It's what we do. We trade futures. It's what works best. Pass the evaluation challenge without breaching our rules, and you'll get your trade and funded, guaranteed. Track records. Trade for a minimum of 7 days. Be consistent. We want to back traders, not gamblers. Okay, that's fair. And show us you have profitable strategy by reaching the point target evaluation. Show us you can make money over a period of time. Each day you trade counts towards your 7 day objective. Show us you are not getting lucky on high risk trades. No single day profit through should be greater than 30% of your total profit. Yeah, it's most of them. Close all position by in the market, no holding position overnight. Trade day trades the CME exchange. Please take from more list permitted. This is a total amount of lose. Reset evaluation. No BS. Rules are transparent. All right, sign up. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and say this. Let's check them out, see what they're all about. You got to really dig into these rules for these places to see what's really going on. No frequency on getting paid. All right, well, that was my recap. I feel like I traded pretty well these last couple of weeks, these last couple of days. I'm going to consistently keep it going, keep watching my size. The only time I lose is when I over leverage. So I'm just going to stop over leveraging. Knocking on wood. All right, peace.